Australia's meat processing sector has two pressing challenges: a shortage of skilled workers and skinny profit margins. Its research and development arm is pushing to get new labour-saving technology like robots and AI into abattoirs sooner. It's a plan to increase profits and get tech-savvy jobs into regional Australia. Landline's Pip Courtney reports.
The labour shortage in Australia's red meat processing sector means many abattoirs are operating 10% under capacity, with 5,000 vacancies right now.
There's some large facilities that haven't got a second shift running anymore, where they did so some 3-4 years ago. So that's in the hundreds for one plant. So I'd say it's a conservative number.
At the Casino Food Co-op in New South Wales, Pacific Islanders have not solved its labour problem. How many staff are you down?
To get back up to full capacity, we'd be between 100 and 200. So full capacity is obviously subject to the cattle supply, which we think is going to be better over the next 12, 18 months for sure. And so, 100, 150 people would be ideal for us.
Can you find those people now, exactly when you need them or not?
No, we're struggling.
I reckon there's plenty of people in the processing sector that have got people within their own businesses that would say, why change? Currently working.
It's the Australian Meat Processing Corporation's job to drive innovation uptake. AMPC's 300 projects aim to save energy and water, improve safety and efficiency, and lift carcass yields. But key is using technology to fix staffing problems. AMPC's biggest success was making one of the most dangerous machines in an abattoir, the bandsaw, safe. When a camera detects a blue-gloved body in danger, the saw stops. It makes a hell of a noise.
There is no doubt that this type of technology saved hundreds, potentially even thousands of, thumbs or hands through preventing contact with bandsaw blades. There's a bit more appeal in actually working in that environment, so the potential to attract a whole different type of person to that role within the processing plant, that's quite extraordinary.
AMPC recently invited hardware and software manufacturers to show processors how Industry 4.0, or the fourth industrial revolution, could help them. On show were combinations of machine learning, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, digitisation and robots.
An AI vision system, artificial intelligence vision system, never takes a break, never gets tired, and it would be able to do the same job in the same way every time. So we're really excited about how we can start to understand the different aspects of meat processing and apply some of those Industry 4.0 smarts to try and improve efficiency.
The labour shortage has seen processors prioritise innovation.
I get the sense that we're at a bit of a tipping point at the moment, and we can see in different types of technologies that have been developed recently that time to adoption is really shortening rapidly.
Put the glove on you.
Most talked about were exoskeletons used in the car industry.
So you start grasping that. Oh! Yeah, so it needs you to do stuff because it's going to learn about what you do.
These bionic suit parts reduce repetitive strain injuries and give muscle to the strength challenged among us.
I think eventually this type of soft wearable will start to permeate all these other designs. Having sort of the mechanical metal bits, I think, will diminish, and we'll have all these softer, sort of more gentle elements.
Just got a little demo picking and placing things, and we'll see how good I am.
This shadow robot distances workers from dangerous machinery and can be operated by staff who aren't strong or even there. Several systems will give those who've never considered an abattoir job the chance to be hired.
You could have people operating a robot remotely, so they don't have to be in the same area to do that. They could be in a completely different geographic area, which would help you out.
And someone who's disabled could get a job?
Yeah, 100%.
It wasn't as easy as it looked.
You get used to it surprisingly quickly, though. Get the button on the left. There we go.
Oh, there's a lot to think about. Next door was a labour saver, which has learned to detect, pick and pack different cuts. Feedback from processors trialling it is positive.
You can get this grabbing them. It can be as patient as you like and wait for things to come down the line, and they're quite quick.
This is where machine vision is really at the cutting edge. How do you detect and correctly identify cut of meat? With AI, it's learnt from seeing thousands and thousands and thousands of images of carcasses that have all been